a controller strap for the Meta Quest 3 or 3S controllers for 50 cents that can transform them into index-like controllers. Is that possible? Yes. And this I will show you in this video. As always, in the description under the video you will find a link to the top VR lists and coupon codes for all Meta Quest games. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Yeah, I think many people already know what I'm talking about. Of course, this is 3D printed. So you will need a 3D printer for that. So I found that on Thingiverse, really cool that something like this is possible in the VR community of the 3D printers. So there are three parts: the grip, the strap, and the small holder here. You have to print them. It's not so easy because it has some hooks. You need a support, a print support, and all the stuff. But for me, it worked. And let's check how to assemble that. So remove the original cover from the Quest controller, the strap as well. And then, give me a second, push this small part. You have to attach that here, push it inside the small part, then push it inside this one here. Yeah, and then it looks like this. And then just push it inside the hole here. It's sometimes a little bit tricky. Here you go. And now you have a strap. How cool is that? And it will not fall off your hand. And okay, I messed it up a little bit. So this strap doesn't fit very good through this part. So you have to try it 1 or 3 times so that it fits. But normally you can push it through this part here and yeah, so it fits on many different hands. For now it fits on my hand and that's really good. So yeah, really nice, really nice. So you can print it yourself if you have a 3D printer, or you can just order a 3D print. Of course, then it's a little bit more expensive, but for me, it was like 50 cents or something, or even less. Yeah, I just need the material, and it doesn't need much material for that. Really, really insane, yeah, that this is possible. So guys, if you also want to print that, you will find the link to Thingiverse in the description below, and then you can print it. Or you just give to another company the order, yeah, that's also possible. If you have found also some other cool 3D printed accessories for the Quest 3, please let me know. Yeah, I have a 3D printer here and I really want to try it out. So I really love 3D printing. I'm a nerd and I love all that stuff. Yeah. For example, I'm a big fan of Terminator, of the movie, and I printed this skull. That's also really nice. Yeah, and some other, you can replace some parts, yeah, print it. Not only VR stuff, you can print everything, yeah. And that's why I totally love my 3D printer. So if you are a nerd like me, 3D printers are not so expensive anymore, I would say. And it's nice. So guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE.